Welcome to our guide on how to enhance your video call lighting on Messenger on PC. Elevate your video calls with better lighting using these simple steps. Let's get started by heading over to messenger.com on your PC to access your Messenger account. Once you're on messenger.com, open a Messenger conversation with the person you want to video call. Click on the video call icon within the conversation to start the video call. During the call, find the option to adjust your video settings and select the option to overlay on your face. A pop-up menu will appear, offering different settings. Choose the lighting option to improve your video call lighting. Select a lighting option from the menu that best suits your preferences. By following these steps, you can enhance the lighting quality of your video calls on Messenger, ensuring you look your best during every call. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy improving your video call lighting on Messenger and creating a more flattering and professional appearance during your conversations. Let's brighten up those video calls.